How to use EBSCO Research Library. There are a few different ways to access the research library on your course site. Here at the bottom of your page, you can click this link here. You'll be directed to a page that has a video tutorial of how to use EBSCO Host and more information about the benefits. Click here to enter the research library. Enter any words to find books, journals, and more. You can also access the EBSCO library within your courses. So let's look at IM 705. Within your lessons, there will be articles supporting your videos and course materials. To look up an article through EBSCO, copy the title of the article, click the link here, click this link to enter the research library, and paste the title of the article. Then search. Here are the results. You can choose the appropriate article. Once you've found the article you're looking for, you can add it to your Google Drive, print, or just read the article here.